Alright, good news boys. Today we got a killer combo. We're doing the Killer Bee oil pan and the Killer Bee headers. Turbo's officially out of the engine. I believe I might as well remove the up pipe while I'm there. We're gonna start off by removing the pitch stop mount on both the dipstick and bolt. It's a 10 mil because when we take the pan out, we gotta wiggle it around, you know what I mean? Killer Bee. 14 mil socket, 14 mil wrench. God damn it! Oh, this one doesn't need it. It's just a bolt. Man, that bitch was tight. Go down there, find that washer. First up, we got a 10 mil bolt here at the dipstick. We're gonna unbolt that because it's small and it fits places. I believe that's it for top side. Comes with a little clip. These are all 10s. Oh my god, it's all rusted. It's sick and tired of rust. Going to disconnect this oxygen sensor here. Mine's down here because when you do the IGAOS, you end up moving this out the way. The sensor is down there, connected to the headers, or you can follow the header from the headers coming upward. So I gotta cut the zip tie and then remove it from that clip right there. Little clear up. Well, right away. I have an issue. A dugga. Oh, for the ground wire bolt. It's the ground wire bolt. There's no I didn't see no placement for it. I'm just gonna feed the harness through the hole so I could just pull this thing straight down and out the way. Get it up there for now. There we go. Driver's side. Yeah. Now for the good stuff. Headers. You've been on my house the whole time. Alright, so I have an issue here. I have my white line bar here and it's blocking the bolt for the motor mount. So what I'm gonna have to do is get a swivel socket and a stubby bolt, and then we should make it work from there. Worst case scenario, I need to put an extension on that hose. All right, that's one bolt. That's two bolts. The third one up more because I already have broke it loose. It's like a little burst will do it. The whole thing's moving, by the way. I should be able to carry it. Oh, maybe not. Holy shit. Ta-da. God damn, that bitch is heavy. Ta-da. Pipe and headers. I still need to remove the O2 sensor from it. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Somewhere around in that order. We got 4 to go and they're all in the back. to remove the oil pan is I stuck a Husky stiff spatula thing. And the reason I went stiff is so that when I actually got it in there, obviously this is sharpened when it comes like that. But once you get it in there, you can leverage the oil pan down, and you honestly only have really one spot about yay big to stick something in there, because the oil pan to the rest of the engine, it's kind of like dipped inward. So there's really only one area you can work. Then with this one, the one they tell you, the pry bar, the one they tell you not to use, I didn't hammer it in there. All I did was, once I pried the oil pan enough, because you could get a pretty, once this is in there, you start prying it off, you could get a pretty big gap. Stick this in there, pry it off. Once you get a bit open, get the pry bar and pry a little bit off, and the whole thing will like literally want to come off. There's 2 bolts for the pickup. There's the other bolt, and I believe that's it. Make that 3 bolts. And then we have 1, 2, 3. That one holds both the baffle and the plate right here, and I believe we have 2 more back here, so 6. Oh, I'm in a mess. Oh, they should come off. There we go. Remove all that gasket, old gasket around the ceiling area. So let's do that. So get a new razor. Our Killer Bee equal length headers. Here we have the Killer Bee oil pan. Yeah, it's a little dirty because I touched it before. 2 locking O-rings, which is these. Thank you, Killer Bee. We found something out. This already has an O-ring on it, and the big Ziploc bag comes with one in there. So we'll put this one here. The one with the O-ring already on it, we'll face it upward, and this one with the dent, we'll put it inward. And that is it. And I want to cross thread this, so I'm making sure it's going in. Alright. There you go. This is being the 2 black bolts. Washer for the drain. 2 new oil rings for the pickup tube, for the dipstick tube, and our baffle. Alright, these require 2 of the OEM bolts we took out for the rear side. Alright, so the memory card had run out of space, but each of these bolts gets tightened down to 7.5. So it should be 4 total, and the rest is, yeah, should be the same, 7.5. Although the other ones. Install this one first. So it says that these don't screw all the way in, and it says don't try to. So I'm gonna just try to put it on the spot that I like. It's already tight, and that should be fine. Perfect combo. Use Permatex Ultra Black. Don't shoot, he's not black. If you know, you know. Ultra Black gasket maker. Oil resistant, part number 82180. The ones that they go. There's 2. Look at those welds. Even on the bung, it's all blue and pretty. before I started the whole project, I did order the Grimspeed gasket package, which basically comes with all your exhaust related item gaskets. Here you go. Let's throw these under the car. The bolts, the stud should hold them, and then we're gonna clean the surface. We should be good. We're gonna put the gaskets in first. Cool. The other side now. Alright. This to 29.5. That's another episode in the books of How I Met Your Mother. I did it. Next episode, we are working on the IAG TGV V3 setup, follow along instruction type of thing, then clutch replacement. You know, it's not as bad as. See you guys next episode. Stock 2020 Wrx Sti going full bolt on E85 car juice. Tell your mom I love her. What?